Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 1st, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. 6th row, we get 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already give 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 7, 8, 9, it will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column H, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grid, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Column B also we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, then 1 is confirmed here. 4th grid, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Column A also we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. 6th grid also 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells, 8 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. Column I, column J, column B and column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in any one of these cells, we will confirm later. 7th grid, column F, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining in 5th grade, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. We can confirm 2 also here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 3. 4th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column D and 4th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells, we confirm later. 9th row and 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, the 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 5. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. Column E, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we will have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Column D, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6. Column G, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already got 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Then 3rd grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Third row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.